Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to allow only the followers you follow to comment on your TikTok videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Locate the profile icon at the bottom drawer of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to open the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Inside the Settings and Privacy menu, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down to find the Interactions section. Tap on Comments. Step 7. You'll see Comments again. Tap on it. Step 8. Finally, select Followers that follow you back. By following these simple steps, you'll have control over who can comment on your TikTok videos. Allowing only the followers you follow to comment adds an extra layer of engagement and ensures a positive TikTok experience. We hope you find this guide helpful in customizing your TikTok interactions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and happy TikToking.